USB driver mode.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. Got facts over tracks. Listen, that's getting so getting fast. I can roast, I can gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. I'm a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time. You're delirious, mysterious, because you are behind a big exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words as they say them back. I want you to feel. Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet. Damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning all. And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams.